There are her ducks.
What?
They're the ducks. That was what got an afro. We keeping it black. We keep it real around here. You know what I'm saying? We keep it real around here. That's right. We keep it real around here. We black. You know what I'm saying? Hell yeah. That'd be a hell yeah. Yeah. You want to jump in? You want to jump in? Jump in. Hurry. It's hot. Hurry. Jump in. Hurry. Jump in. Hurry. Jump. You way to go, nigga. You know how we do it. Shit. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so cool, Angelica. Street. Yeehaw. Oh, I thank you.